How to create MetaMask wallet. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a MetaMask wallet. So to get started, go ahead and head over into the official website of MetaMask. And then from here, click on this Get Started button to sign up for an account on the platform. And that will take you into this section. So from here, go ahead and select the method of how you want to access MetaMask and create your account. So you can do that through web, mobile app, or their browser extension. So once you select web app, that will take you here. So from here, you need to accept this and then click on this Connect MetaMask button at the top right, or this Connect MetaMask button into this section. And then once you click on that, you'd be asked to download the MetaMask extension or the mobile application to your device, since creating a wallet on MetaMask will require you the app on your mobile device or the extension on your desktop device. And since I am using my desktop device, I'll need to download the extension for the specific browser. So simply click on this Add to Chrome button at the right side of MetaMask to be able to download this extension into your Google Chrome browser if you're using Google Chrome. And then once installed, click on it on the extension section, and that will take you here. So from here, you just need to click on this Create a New Wallet button. And as you can see, you can create a new wallet using your Google account or your Apple account. So simply select what applies for you. And then in here, you need to create a password for that account. So make sure that the password matches the confirmed password, and it must be at least 8 characters. After that, click on this Create Password button to create a password for your MetaMask account. Now, after you've created the password, your wallet is now ready. So you can go ahead and use your MetaMask wallet. And that is how you can basically create MetaMask wallet.